We are assembling the Ladybug and the honey mason jar. You will need a few extra things besides just your paper. I'm using pipe cleaners for my handles. And I'm also using some trendy twine. I'm using lemon tart and cranberry to tie my tags on. So these are super simple. They should go together pretty quickly, barring any technical difficulty. So there is my Ladybug tag, just like so. I'm going to go ahead and fold my box on the score lines. And just going to start on one side. I'm going to go ahead and do all 3 tabs. Try not to make a mess with my glue. And you've got straight edges for gluing this on, so I think that makes it easier. I'm trying to hold it so you can see it, but also get this glued. That can be tricky. Just fold that back out of my way. Okay, and push this down. Next, I'm going to put glue here on this tab. Bring this over. Okay. I'm going to fold that back out of my way. And I'm just going to put glue on these tabs and I'm recording. Okay, now flip it over so I can push down on the table to glue my tabs into place. Now there are pieces for both sides of the jar, but I am only doing one for the purpose of this video. For your lid, this piece just glues right to the center. And then you can glue your lid in place. This piece is how you get your rounded edge. Just applying some pressure to get that to stick. There you have it. Now, use the other end here to put that through. Hopefully I've cut enough. I didn't cut enough to tie it in a bow, but I can do a knot. And that is the Ladybug box with its little tag. And now we'll do the bee. So your little bee tag, you're going to want to glue this into place. And then he has double wings. There's a shorter set and the taller set, so just glue your shorter set on top of the longer set. Give it enough time to dry before you try to separate your wings. And then you can glue these into place. And there's your little bee. I'm going to go ahead and glue the piece here on my lid. For this one, you're going to glue this onto this base piece. A fine tip bottle will really come in handy for this. Okay. And then we are going to again fold on the score lines. When we finish this one, I'll put my handle on. I forgot to put the handle on the other one. Again, I've just got to hold it so that you can see what I'm doing. I don't know why I did this one backwards this time, but I did. And I'm going to put glue on both tabs. Okay. Now again, I'm going to put my lid on first. And then I'm going to put this panel piece on. And there are pieces to do both sides, but I am just choosing to do just one side. Tie my bee on. I really like this bee. I think it's adorable. Are. Now the handle, there is a hole cut for your handle. And we just do that. And there it is. There is, this one's called the honey box, and then we can put the handle on this one. It's just a super fluffy pipe cleaner. So thank you for joining me.